Today is August 15, 2025, and this is today's watch list for SPY. Currently, in today's news, we do have retail sales at 8:30, and then we also have we also have consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. Other from that, we're pretty much free to trade. Let's get into the levels. So in yesterday's watch list, we were looking for the possible rejection at the 646. During PMI yesterday, we had a huge drop down, so I ended up looking for 643 to prove itself as resistance before we continue moving lower. Unfortunately, that play did not play out as we ended up breaking below the level and then ended up bouncing and re-supporting back off the level before we continue moving higher. For today, I'm going to be back looking for a possible rejection at 646, but because that we were trading it in the pre-market area already, I may have to invalidate this area. Usually when we trade within these areas during pre-market, I kind of don't want to be involved in it in the day session, due to the fact that it is a possibility that it can do completely opposite than what it did in the pre-session. For a possible bounce point, it's going to be at 641. We had multiple bounce points at this area. If I go ahead and pull this over more to the left, we ended up supporting back off this level once again later down the line, or before we got to this point. I don't really see anything that looks good today on this Friday. If it doesn't look right, don't trade it. Sit on cash, and preserve cash for another day. Preserve your mental for another day. But I am going to be looking around. I'm going to be watching to see what the market does, and then from there I'll go based off of that. But I hope you guys have a great trading day and a great trading session. Let me know what you guys are looking for in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.